Hey, what is going on, guys? So as you know, we currently have the Gundam and Mat K going on that I'm doing with my good buddy Lincoln Wright, but how about another contest to give you guys more chances to win some stuff? So this contest is going to be a little bit easier because it doesn't require you to actually build anything. It's going to be just a photography contest, so you just have to go outside and take some cool photos. So I'll explain to you what the prize is and what the theme of the contest is going to be in a minute, but this contest came about because Galactic Toys, located there in Michigan, got in contact with me and wanted to sponsor just a contest to give some cool stuff away to you guys and get their name out there. So of course the link to their site will be down below. If you guys are living in Michigan, of course support your local shop there. And so the theme of the contest is going to be something in nature. So it's not really a good name exactly. I don't really know what we should name it, but what we want you to do is just take your photo of your kids, something to do with nature. So I guess it doesn't really technically have to be outside, it just has to be with some natural things, but I think it probably makes sense to take your picture outside. You know, outside you can get some really nice lighting and get some really cool, diorama effects without having to build a diorama. You just put the Gundam in some dirt or something outside. So it can be, it can be a cool photo, it can be a funny photo, it can be some sort of action pose using some different photograph kind of techniques, but no Photoshop. I don't want you to go and do a bunch of Photoshop effects. Please don't do that. But you can, any sort of like natural effects or practical effects, anything like that you can do. You can use other props and other Gundams and everything in the photo, whatever. It just has to be something related to nature. That has to be kind of the main thing. Now, the quality of the build will also be considered, so that's going to be probably like 30%, 70%. The main portion of it is going to be based on just, is it a cool photo and something to do with nature? And then a small portion of that will also be based on the build itself as well. So if you have your build and it's kind of got a whole bunch of nub marks on it and something, or like it's all just painted entirely with Gundam markers and looking kind of not so good, then that's going to be some points off. So have a cool build, and then it doesn't even have to be a fully painted build. It can just be a snap build. That's fine, so long as it looks nice and just in nature, and that's all you have to do. And so you can only submit one photo, so that's all. You can't take more than one, just one photo. And here's how you have to submit. Listen carefully, because if you don't follow the rules, then you'll be disqualified. So you have to submit your photo to me with the title in the email as photo contest entry. That's all, just photo contest entry. That has to be your title of your email, and send it to my email address, ZakuAureliusOfficial@gmail.com. That will all be down in the description below, so just check to make sure you follow that carefully. You guys will have a deadline of July 15th, so you have about 2 weeks to enter, so that should give you plenty of time to go out and take a cool photo. Make sure entry is in before July 15th, and then we'll announce the winner shortly after that. So there's going to be 3 winners and some pretty big prizes for this, so I hope you guys get pretty excited, because here are the prizes. So the first and second place will have their choice. So the first place will get first choice, second place will get the other prize. So the top 2 prizes are the high resolution Gundam Wing EW kit, and the other choice is the master grade XS/S Gundam. So two options there. Not everyone's into the high res, and maybe not everyone will be into the master grade kit, so you'll have your option between the two. So first place, you'll get your choice. Second place will get the other one that the first place didn't choose. And then third place will be the master grade Dynamis, so also a really cool kit. So basically 3 big awesome kits that you guys have as your chance to win to this. And it is open to international entry, so no matter where you are in the world you can enter. Don't worry about that. But so I think that should give you guys all the information that you need. If you do have any other further questions, of course, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below, or get in contact with me and I'll answer that for you. But go out, take a cool picture in nature, submit it to me before July 15th, following the information that I told you guys. Just make sure you have the title and the email correct, send your photo that way, and you've got your chance to win one of 3 really big cool prizes. So sound good? Sounds good to me. Sounds like a really cool contest. I hope you guys are excited to win some cool stuff. Good luck to everyone. I look forward to seeing all your entries. Of course, in the announcement video, when I announce who the winners are going to be, we'll of course also include a slideshow of everyone's entries, so even if you don't win, your photo will still be included in the slideshow with everyone else's at that time. So that's always cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.